How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check and manage your spams on your Yahoo Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is simply open up Yahoo Mail. So head over yahoomail.com or mail.yahoo.com. After you're on your Yahoo Mail, this should be your interface. Now, I just created my Yahoo account, so I do not really have any mail here, but this is how you do it. After you've opened up your Yahoo Mail, what you'll need to do is on the left hand side, you will find different options, and one of them will be spam. Now, spam messages are those messages which can be sent by a bot or which has been categorized as a bot or a malicious mail sent by someone to just waste your time or attack your computer, so it just goes and stays in the spam. Those messages which are not important. Now, the Yahoo Mail itself categorizes that as a spam, and it stays right around here. So you can head over to the spam folder, and after you're on the spam folder, you will find all of your spam mail. From there, you can either select the mail and remove it from the spam and take it back to inbox, or you can just delete it completely. There is a selection option. Since I don't have any mail here, there I cannot show it to you guys, but yeah, there is a way you can select all of your mail, completely delete it, or you can select a few of your mails and remove it from the spam and take it back to your inbox. So yeah, that is basically how you find your spam mail and how you can simply manage it. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.